Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, we'll be creating this St. Patrick's Day makeup look. So if you want to see it and hear all the information, stay tuned. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day themed makeup look, and the theme is Clovers, and this is for the hashtag unicornglamsquad collab. I'm the host of this collab. We do it every Wednesday during the week, so if y'all do enjoy it, I'm going to be doing a voiceover to save some time. So if you do enjoy seeing me do this makeup look, I'll be showing you the products, so I'll also be linked down below if you want to get it for yourself. And please check out the ladies that I do link and see their look for this week if they do join in. And if I haven't got everybody's link yet, click the hashtag unicornglamsquad in my title, and you can see everybody's video that way. So stay tuned and see the whole process, and then at the end of the video I'll show you the finished look. So if you got this far in the video, please put your favorite St. Patrick's theme emoji down below to be shouted out, and you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see me shout out the previous video on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section, show some love. They were YouTubers and well subscribers. So again, unicorns, please leave the emoji. If you don't want to leave the emoji, just say you watched full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So here is the finished look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, how you think I did. I think this turned out really cute, but I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you do recreate this, tag me. I just put clovers all over my face in different parts, and I think this turned out really cute. So let me know down below. And I'm wearing this unicorn horn to kind of emulate like unicorns on St. Patrick's Day. So hope you do and like it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share in the comments, and share the video, and then subscribe to join the unicorn family. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.